YouTuber or creating YouTube videos. Show up. There we go. It's like, does it even show up on camera?
Little bit of catnip.
Oh, okay, gotcha. That's great. Listen.
It is great, Gidget. Everything is great.
So now the time that you all have been waiting for. Please pause the video, like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends. You can unpause now. Okay. And this tin is still in like great condition. Oh wow. Already. Okay, so dang. Pretty sure I hear the baby knocking.
Oh, now you've done it. Pickles is pissed.
This is so cool. At first I thought that was Nike, but I think it's a military pin or something. Kind of check mark. Wow. Closer look. Insane. We'll go through each pin in just a second, because the bottom of this, there's a lot of stuff. And if you know what something is, even if I wind up saying it, I would love for y'all to put it in the comments. I would kind of like to do a live at some point doing something like this. Okay. So we have, excuse that noise. So we have a rifle pin, and I feel like, so my father was military, and I didn't learn a whole lot from my father, so I didn't meet him until I was like 25, but what I did learn was that this is like a marksman pin, and so like with each level, again, if I'm wrong, I'm really sorry, I'm really not trying to offend anybody, but with each level they would add another one of these, like the different like accomplishments or not promotion, but anyways, here it is up close. And yeah, so it says rifle. I'm just gonna put that here. I wonder what kind of metal this is. So it's like a little wolf howling at the moon with a little blue gem or rhinestone decal. The rhinestone is clearly not, yeah, no, clearly not real, but still cool. Angel in Disguise, 1985. Dang. I just think this kind of stuff is so awesome. This is what I'm talking about, like the thrill of the hunt. Even if none of this stuff is worth money, I am happy with this purchase because, like, come on, man. I don't know how old this one is. She don't have a date on her either. Little angel. Oh, here's another wolf, but this is just the wolf head. And it's stamped with 1116. So if you know what that is, please let me know. Because I don't know. There is like a little pocket knife or like little, yeah, pocket, little multi-tool thing. I don't know if this is just like a flat, I think this is just a flattened coin because it has the riveting around the side. Pretty sure. Maybe like a quarter? Or would it be bigger if it was a quarter? Is this how big a dime would be if you stretched it out? I don't know. I just don't know. And we have like a little Scotty dog pin. We have a mom pin. Oh, it's a locket. Oh my goodness, how cool is that? I've never seen a pin like that. That was a locket. I wonder if how many of these are like handmade. How cool would that be? Ooh, we got us a Chevy truck. And then while digging, I did see another Chevy pin. 94. I don't know how well you can see that, but... Oh, there's more than one Scotty dog pin. That's cool. Slayer. This looks like just like a Hot Topic pin, but Slayer is good. Slayer's cool. We do love a Slayer moment. Bald Eagle carrying rifles. 1043. $1982? 82 or 92? It's just plastic, it's just funny. It's super funny because I have like a thing with skulls. This looks like it fell off of something, but it's just like a little Pegasus. Yeah, I don't think it's a unicorn, just a Pegasus. But it doesn't have anything on the back. And then we have like a pretty little rhinestone pin. Oh, this one's pretty. Brass. What is this? I don't see any markings, but it's like a moon with some like floral or filigree. I forgot what these are called. No, not concubine. That is not the right word. I forget what this is called. But you put a bevel behind it. Kokobon or Chochobon. I'm saying it all wrong, I know. If you know, please let me know. This is a cool little homemade pin. Whatever bottle cap it was on. It says if you can read this, you need to drink beer. But it's like, it's Asian writing. I don't know. I don't want to say what I like, Chinese or Japanese or anything like that. So do not want to offend anybody because I honestly don't know. It's like a little wooden leather mouse. Oh my goodness. 1997 LFL. And it's a little Darth Vader. That's pretty cool. Pretty sure that's pewter. I could be wrong, but 12 cents, August 1962. It's Thor. Oh my goodness. What does that say? It's Marvel. Trademark Marvel. Oh wow. I'll have to look into those more. And then I want to say that this is a military tie clip, but I do not know what branch. Again, if you know, please feel free. I can hear the assistant going crazy, So, if you are interested in what is on this, you will have to come back for part 2. And in part 2, not only will we go over this, but I'll take the time in between to look some of these up so that we can do a little recap and know if any of these are worth anything or if they're just cool. So I really hope that you liked this video, even though it's technically unfinished because we did fully plan on looking at all of these pins. I'm so sorry. Duty calls. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, like, share, subscribe. You want to be alerted. Hoping to get back into that rhythm of at least 2 videos a week. At the bare minimum, we will be uploading weekly. And I want to get into doing some lives. You should go ahead and just subscribe. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Be safe. Bye.